Tutorial, we are going to create a network share using Samba and CLI, the command line interface, Linux terminal, uncomplicated, simple, and brief way. So I'm going to use Ubuntu. So let's get started. CLI, the command line interface, okay? Uncomplicated, simple, and brief way. So all commands must be done as root, okay? Or just use sudo to install, okay? First of all, what you have to do sudo apt-get update, then sudo apt-get install Samba. So we do sudo apt-get update. So once you've updated your apt-get, then we can go ahead and install Samba on the system. Okay, so I'll pause the video, and I didn't even have to. It was very fast. Okay, awesome. So now sudo apt-get install Samba. And yes. Just wait for it to install. Then after that, we are going to set a password for our user in Samba. Okay, so it's good. Now, what we need to do, we have to do set sudo smb password -a and the username. The smb password command not found. Sorry, why did I type password? It should be passwd. My bad. It's like, okay, the new smb password. I'm not sure if it complains about my password. Okay, added user Roham. So now the user is Roham, and I've set my password. So now you have to create a directory to be shared. Okay, so where are we right now? We're at the root here /. So let's just call this okay, directory. Let's go to home and username Roham and folder name. Let's call this Samba. How about that? Okay, that's very good to go. Now, it's a good practice to make a Samba, a safe backup copy of the original smb.conf file to your home folder in case you make an error. Okay, so what you have to do sudo copy the etc samba smb.conf to your desktop, your home folder, basically. Okay, so now go ahead and type sudo nano. We're just gonna edit this file. Edit samba smb.conf. So you're gonna see lots of information. Okay, so once this is loaded, add these lines to your very end of the file. Okay, so you have to go to the end of the file. So you have to do okay, the folder name. I'm just gonna talk about this for a second. This is the folder name. Okay, path So our path was what? Rohan Samba, if you remember, right? So it's because this is the folder name, then we call this Samba. Okay. The valid user equal your username, I think it was, yes, Rohan, read only equal no. Okay, so now there should be in the space between the lines. Okay, note, like, because note Q also there should be a single space both before and after each of the equal signs. Okay, so I shouldn't make a mistake here, and yeah, this is good. Now I'm just gonna go back. I might need to go back to this file again, but let's just restart it for now. So sudo service smbd restart. Okay, so we've restarted the. So once Samba has restarted, use this command to check your SMB conf for any syntax error. Okay, so let's just do test sudo test par. Okay, load SMB config files from this warning. This is like file with enter to see a dump of. Okay, load the services file. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with it. Okay, so now let's just do Control C here. Okay, now to access your network share, okay, you have to add type sudo apt get, oh sorry, get install SMB client. Okay, sudo apt get install SMB client. Okay, so to access your network share, use your username. Okay, because the username and password that we've chosen. Okay, so basically you go to the SMB something something something, and you just type the path of the file, and you'll be able to access it. Now this is your IP address. Okay, so I'm gonna just, this is my VMware on my MacBook, so I'm gonna try to access it from my Mac. Okay, so you do Command K. Okay, and you type the IP address here. So you do SMB here 172.16.147.131 slash, and we called it Samba, if you remember. Okay, press connect, type your password, your Samba password if you remember. As you can see, you're connected to your Samba folder. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.